I've been looking for software like this for ages. One that would allow us to host a free live training or webinar in a really nice and simple way. Well, I finally found it, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use it too. So the platform is called Streamyard, and not only are you going to be able to host your live training, but you can also stream it to different social media profiles as well, which is super convenient. And the reason I love this one so much is because of how easy it makes it for your clients to join the training. Other platforms will make your clients log in or have to remember their password or email them a magic link. This one, you don't have to do any of that. You just share a simple link with them, and then they are going to enter in their name and be able to watch the training and access the chat. So this is going to work perfectly with any other email marketing tool that you're using. All right, so here is the pricing. And as you can see, there is a free plan, which is great. The only thing is you will have their logo in your streams. So if you want to upgrade to basic, then that will go away. And of course, you'll get more features as well. So cross-compare this, but not too bad, from free up to $49 a month. All right, let's create your first training. You're just going to click Create and then On Air Webinar. Okay, and then you're going to put the title and a description. Okay, and you can set up registration, but what I loved is that I didn't need this, right? If you already have people on your email list, which is what I recommend, you don't need them to then register again to watch the training. So I'm going to leave that off. Right now, the live viewer limit is set to 250. So you can click here if you need to upgrade for more than that. Okay, then you're going to schedule your start time. So let's just say I'm going to do it today at 1 o'clock. Okay, and then you can upload a thumbnail as well. Okay, so there's my thumbnail, and I'm going to hit apply. Perfect, and then create. So now you're going to see this in your list of streams and recording. To share the link with all of your clients, you're going to click share and then copy this link here, and this is what they will see. Okay, so really nice and simple. You can't really customize this too much, but I think that's totally fine. Okay, so now for you as the presenter, you're going to click Enter Studio and then click Settings and make sure that you are connected to the right camera. Okay, great. So I'm going to choose my webcam. Perfect. And I'm going to adjust my background to make it look as nice as I can. Okay, good enough. And then you can choose your camera resolution. So I'd recommend 720 or higher. So then you're going to connect to your mic. So here I would choose that one. Okay, great. So that's all we need to do there. And then you're going to type in your name and click Enter Studio. All right, awesome. So next what you're going to do is hover over you on video and click Add to Stage. Okay, and then if you go over here to brand, you'll see all the different ways that you can customize your stream. So I would recommend putting in one of your hex colors here. So you'll just paste in that code. Then of course you can choose the theme. You can upload your logo if you want. But what I actually did was I created these overlays in Canva. And then all you have to do is click here to upload that. Okay, but once you upload it, all you have to do is hover over it and click show. And that will add to the top of your video. So that looks nice. So I was hosting a free live training this week. And so I had all the different days I would show what day it was. Okay, so you can do that. You can also upload video clips to play, and you can adjust the background color. So that's what I added here as well. All right, cool. So now in terms of display, you'll see that you have all these options here along the bottom of your video. So if there was 2 of you, you could use that one. If you had slides, you could use this one. So let's go ahead and present some slides. You're going to go down here to present and then slides and click your computer to upload a file. Okay, so you'll want to upload a PDF file of your slides. Okay, so I've already done that. So let's click present and then slides. You can see my files here. Perfect. Okay, so now you can see the different layouts, right? We have this one here, this one here, adjust the slides if you want, right? So you actually have a ton of options, which I really like. I really like how custom you can make this look. So what I ended up doing is creating this custom layout here. If you click on the pencil icon, you can actually move the items around and get that looking how you want it. Okay, so I set this layout here, and then I added on my little overlay, and this is what my training looked like. Okay, so you can customize this for your brand however you want. And when you're presenting your slides, all you have to do is use the arrows on your keyboard to go through your different slides. So this has been so nice and easy to use as well as a presenter. So I am a huge fan. All right, now let's say you are done with your slides. You're just going to hover over them and click remove. And then you're going to change the layout again. So that's just one thing you have to do. Click on that and I'll go full screen again. Okay, now you can also share your screen as well. So if you click present, you'll see share screen. So you can also, I was doing some different tech tutorials and things like that. So you can certainly do that as well. Okay, so I'm sharing my screen and I was able to do a little tech tutorial. And then when I was done, just hit remove there. All right, now let's say you're ready to go live. You're just going to go over here to comments so you can see all of the comments that come in. Now you're going to click go live, then go live. Perfect. And you are live. And then all of the comments are going to come in here on the right. And as I said, from the user's perspective, it's really nice and simple. So let's go ahead and show you the user's point of view or the client's point of view. Okay, great. So this is what it looks like. And then all your client has to do is click join the chat and enter in their first and last name to join the chat. But they could watch the video either way without doing this part, right? And then they'll just click join the chat and they'll be in there over here on the right. So I absolutely love this. This is something that I was looking for. So if you too have been experimenting with different softwares, I think you are absolutely going to love this one and be near obsessed. And so then what's cool is as the comments come in, you can actually hover over it and click show and they will come up on screen. So this really made it feel like a community event where we were having a back and forth conversation. So really love that and used that throughout my training. So not only can you show it on screen, but you can also go over here and react with an emoji, which is great. Or you can star particular comments if needed. And on top of this, you can also add banners. So if you go over here and click create banner, like, join the program now, for example, you can click add banner and then you can also show that on screen. So that is pretty cool. Okay, let's do a longer example. Okay, there you go. All right, so that is Streamyard. I absolutely love it. Of course, go into the studio mode and just practice with it for a bit and get comfortable switching between the different views and everything. But yeah, this was really great. I used it all week. Now, what's cool is not only can you just stream right here in this webinar room, but you could also choose to stream to different destinations at the same time. So if I click this here, you'll see that I could have also been streaming to my Facebook page, also been streaming to a Facebook group. You can also do LinkedIn, you can do Instagram Live. So that is so handy. You can expand your reach and be streaming all your different platforms at the same time. So that is my training on how to use Streamyard. I hope that this was so helpful for you and that you can now go and connect with your audience through live video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. Drop me a comment below if you have any questions at all, and I'll see you real soon with another video.